Hey, it's Jason here. I wanted to give a quick update on the wood trim replacement that I ordered from Classic Rovers. You may recall I mentioned I wasn't exactly thrilled with it. It's literally just 3M double-sided tape, and it's very flexible. So what I did was, a buddy of mine helped. We basically removed the old stuff. Got a really nice wood surface, nice and clean. And I'm going to test it on the back side here. I'm going to actually apply this one and test it. The issue is you're still going to see the top of this wood because this just goes on the top, right? So it's not going to completely, I'll just lay it here to show you. It's not going to completely cover it. But that's what it would kind of look like looking straight in. So I'm going to put it on because the weather's nice. I want to see what it will look like. I want to see how it holds up. If it holds up decent, I might put the other piece on. I just don't want to spend the money right now to have a custom piece made. But what will happen is this wood completely comes out. I will, at some point, completely remove it and have a woodsman or craftsman actually make something nice. So I'm not too concerned about putting this on and maybe getting some residue on the wood there. So let me go ahead and peel the back of this off. You stick it, and hopefully it will stick okay. I'm not expecting perfection, but I just want to give this a go and see how it looks. Okay, so I got it in. It's pretty easy. I ended up just, pulling the buttons out as I showed initially and lifted the wood. But you can see the cut of this is not perfect. If you were to look at it straight in, you can see the outline. And you can see, as I said before I installed it, you're going to see that lip. So I guess there's a few things you could do. One, you could stain the wood to match. But the price of this, I think it was $100 and some odd bucks for this little piece and that piece. Kind of pricey. I don't think it's worth it because cosmetically it's, I guess if you had seen this before, it was all chipped up. But if you just take it down to bare wood, it doesn't look nearly as bad. So I'll probably install this piece. I'll probably have it like that for who knows how long. And eventually get the interior properly done when I'm ready to embark on that project. But this is what it looks like. It's a Rover's Classic trim piece kit. I think it's important to see what it looks like before you buy it. This is a 1991 Range Rover Classic. Be sure to follow my blog at jams.net, jamz.net, for all the information and updates and things I'm doing with my Land Rover collection. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.